boys and girls, it's time for Fundations. Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to learn two very special letters. They're special letters because they're vowels. The vowels are very important. They are the glue that sticks words together. Every word needs a vowel. Okay, so let's take a look. This letter here is I. That's right. You remember the sight word I? Yes, here it is here. The sight word I is also a letter, the uppercase I. And here is the lowercase I. Do they look the same or do they look different? Yes, they look different. And the key word is itch. Itch. Now, itch is to help you remember the I sound, which is I. The first sound you hear when you say itch is I. Now, I'm doing this because I think that it sounds like a bug. So I'm going to put antennas like this, like an insect. I'm going to go I. So I like to make little movements for vowels just because they're special. So I'm going to do I, itch, I. Very good. Now, boys and girls, I don't know if you noticed, but the color of this background is different. It's a salmon color or light pink, pale color. It's a salmon color because it's a vowel. All the vowels you will see have this color background. And the other colors have yellow, like that. Okay. The next letter we are going to learn is the letter U. Now take a look at the uppercase U and the lowercase u. Do they look the same or different? They look the same. The only thing different between the uppercase U and the lowercase u is this little line right here. The key word for U is up, 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 up. Now, up helps you remember the sound for U, which is up, up, up. Okay, are you ready for the motion? I have a story about it. So when my daughter was little, she liked to be in the crib. She liked to get up out of the crib, that is. So when she was in the crib and she would see me, she put her hands out like this for me to pick her up. And she would say up. But guess what? She couldn't say the p sound at the end. So she would go and that's the sound for you. So that's going to be our motion. We're going to act like we're little babies trying to get up out of a crib, and we're going to go So it's you, up, All right, here we go. You, up, Very good. Okay, let's do the sound for I. I, itch, Your turn. My turn. I, itch, Your turn. Good. I, itch, Great. Next one is you, up, You, up, Good. You, up, Wonderful. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our drill sounds. Ready? T, tap, t. Good. D, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. You, up, Awesome. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time for our standard sound cards. Let's do the consonants. That's the yellow cards. Let's do those first, and then we'll go back and do the vowels, the salmon cards. Okay. B, bat, B. F, fun. N, man, N, nut, T, top, t. All right, let's do the vowels. I, itch, I. U, up, All right, boys and girls, today I'm going to teach you how to write the letter I. So just sit back and watch. Right here, I have the I with the highlighting tape over top of it. We're going to just practice writing the lowercase I right now. So I is a plain line letter, which means you start on the plain line. So you start on the plain line, and you do one straight line down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, I. I'll show you again. You start on the plain line, you go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, I. One more time. You start on the plain line, you go down to the grass line, you lift and dot. I, itch, I. Awesome. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time for the letter U. We are going to do the lowercase u. I put the tape underneath of it so you can see it. U is also a plain line letter, so we are going to start at the plain line. You go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. U, up, Okay, so that again, I'll show you again. You start on the plain line, you go down to the grass line, curve up to the plain line, and straight down to the grass line. U, up, I just want to note here, boys and girls, that when I went back up and then I went down, I traced over the line that I went back up again. I didn't go like this. That is not correct, okay? You make sure you go straight down there, okay? And also don't go like this where it doesn't meet the top part, okay? You want to start at the plain line and you want to go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, and go down to the grass line. U, up, awesome job. Okay, boys and girls, this week we are going to learn the letter. We're going to keep on practicing the vowels I and U. Okay, we are going to see that I and U are plain line letters, just like N and N. All right, thanks for listening. I'll see you again soon. Bye.